So when I look back, it started much earlier before joining JNU or AIIMS. I was working as a graduate from Venkateshwara College, Delhi University. So there I had opted for biochemistry. So when you are into biology stream, so that is where, that quench a thirst in you that you have more inclination towards bio or somewhat other stream. So I had an inclination towards biology. So after completing my graduation, I went ahead for post-graduation to PGI Chandigarh, where we were working in experimental medicine and biotechnology department. So each student was being given a different project or a research project to work in. So there I started working on cardiovascular diseases, where we used to take the mice aorta samples, जो हम चूहे से aorta निकालते हैं, and even हम patients, जो patients आते हैं cardiomyopathy के, we used to have those patients with us. So our research was totally dedicated on both research and the clinical end of it. So वहाँ से हमने निकाला how different, MYH7 was one of a molecule I was working. कैसे हम इन patients को help करने के लिए what all markers we can look at. So there after I joined AIIMS, where I pursued my PhD from. So that was again in biochemistry department. So but I was working on glioma biology. That is particularly, if I talk about, was the FAT1 gene. So what is FAT1? FAT1 is a Drosophila tumor suppressor gene, but we deduced that how it acts in mammals. So there we found it was found to be acting as an oncogene. Now what is oncogene? Oncogene is a molecule where you see a molecule to be causing tumor. So it's a tumor causing molecule. So that is being termed as oncogene. So there we also deduced how it acts as an oncogene. So हमने इसके सारे disease mechanism study किए. We studied migration assay, invasion assay, metabolic pathways which were being involved in. So all this research, the basic fundamental research was being taken into account. So once we completed our PhD, we had that, there is an exam, national level exam, which we have to clear. So that is CSR GRF exam. We have many options. These days there are so many fellowships, so many exams being given. So you have to crack those exams. So CSR JRF, ICMR, DBT, NET. So once you clear those exams, you are eligible to apply for your PhD-ship. So once I completed my PhD-ship, post that I joined IGIB, where I started my postdoctoral journey. So again, I had an opportunity to work on cardiovascular diseases, where I was particularly focusing on mitochondrial dysfunction. That how mitochondrial dysfunction, which is being intricated by one of the inflammatory molecule IL-4 and ADMA, how this, the signaling pathway helps in causing cardiovascular disease. So there I was working on ADMA and ENOS induced mitochondrial dysfunction, how it leads to cardiovascular dysfunction. Later, once I completed my journey at IGIB, I joined NII, where I was working again on one of the mammalian system, that is the cholesterol metabolic pathways. And after post that, I joined JNU, where I'd been working for last 6 years. So there I had a chance to work on parasitology, like mainly the host pathogen interactions, how in host, in mammals, one of the, parasite like Leishmania, if I talk about, if it comes and infects our human body. So what intricates, the inflammation in our body, कैसे inflammation होने से what all pathways get activated, what all molecules get activated. So हम पूरा ये basic biology पे study करते हैं कि जैसे कुछ ऐसे suburban areas हैं जो poor population areas हैं, जैसे श्रीलंका है, यहाँ पे you can talk about बिहार, you can talk about पटना, तो कैसे ये suburban areas, socio-economic conditions जहाँ सही नहीं है, तो कैसे वहाँ leishmaniasis, one of a tropical neglected disease, तो हम उसको कैसे prevent कर सकते हैं. So हमने देखा जब हम उस leishmania को पकड़ के अपने सेल कल्चर में डालते हैं जो हमारी ह्यूमन बॉडी के एनवायरनमेंट को मिमिक करता है, तो वहाँ हम सेल्स में उस इन्फेक्शन को जब हम डालते हैं तो क्या पाथवेज एक्टिवेट होते हैं, क्या मॉलिक्यूल्स एक्टिवेट होते हैं जो ये लिशमैनिया कॉज करते हैं. तो इस लिशमैनिया, जिसको हम अगर बेसिक उसमें बोलेंगे तो इट इज कॉल्ड एज काला आजार, तो हम कैसे इसको प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं. तो वंस वी फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन इन आवर रिसर्च लेबोरेटरीज कि भाई ये मॉलिक्यूल है जो हमें प्रिवेंट कर सकता है, ये टारगेट है जिसको हम एज अ ड्रग टारगेट हम थेरेप्यूटिकली यूज कर सकते हैं. तो वंस वी फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन, वी मूव टू माइस मॉडल्स. वंस वी कंफर्म दैट ये जो हमने इन विट्रो सेल कल्चर काम किया लेबोरेटरीज में, वो हमारी माइस में भी कंफर्म हो रहा है. देन थर्ड स्टेज इज टू गो टू द ह्यूमन सैंपल्स, टू गो टू द ह्यूमन पेशेंट्स. सो दीज आर सब, वो क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स में आने से पहले ये पूरा पहले का काम जो होता है वो लेबोरेटरीज में किया जाता है. इन विट्रो, माइस मॉडल्स, इन विवो, इन पेशेंट सैंपल्स, एंड देन इट कम्स इन द मार्केट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ मेडिसिन व्हिच इज बीइंग गिवन टू द पेशेंट्स. तो ये पूरा पूरा प्रोसेस जो शुरू होता है वो साइंटिस्ट, वो रिसर्चर्स शुरू करते हैं. फर्दर इट गोज इनटू क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स, जो डॉक्टर्स उसको ट्राई करते हैं, एंड फर्दर इट कम्स आउट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ मेडिसिन इन द मार्केट. तो इस पूरे काम पे लिशमैनियासिस पे आई हैड बीन वर्किंग फॉर लास्ट 6 years, एंड एक्सफिंगोसिन काइनेज एक मॉलिक्यूल था जो हमने निकाला, which was known to be acting as an anti-cancer molecule, but we found it as an anti-leishmanial drug target also. तो इस पे हमने पेटेंट निकाला, हमने काफी पेपर्स पब्लिश किए which are there available on PubMed. You can search by my name. And once I completed my journey there, so another turning point in my career was when I joined Gangaram Hospital, because after working in so many research centers, so many institutes and universities, when I joined Gangaram, I had an opportunity to whatever discoveries we have done up till now, how to translate them from bench to bedside. तो कैसे हम उनको सारी innovations को use करें so that they can be helpful in saving the patient's life. यहाँ पे हमें वो environment मिला जहाँ पे सारे clinicians, बहुत सारे departments जैसे oncology, cardiology, microbiology, तो सबके टीम, सबके effort से, सबके एक साथ होने की वजह से हम उनके साथ मिलके, they are so much into research, they have so much of zeal, तो वो मिलके हम लोग एक साथ projects डालते हैं so that they are all delivery driven projects, कि भाई जो भी हम काम कर रहे हैं how they can be translated for patient care. तो हम लोग मिलके सारा वो basic research को translational बना के so it can be benefited for the patient. So my goal is how discoveries being made in the laboratory should not only be confined to laboratories or to publications or to journals. The real solution lies in how we can translate these discoveries into impact, how we can help them in saving the patient's lives so that we can find the real world solutions. Thank you.